In this video, we will learn about how to use subtotal. Subtotal is basically used to get some summary of data per group wise. Like here we have Canon, KCO, and different multiple options. I wanted to see what exact total sales have been done by them. Here it is, and it has some 4444187, and other options will also be available, but it is quite cumbersome to use such calculation. To make it more easier, we will use subtotal option. To find subtotal, we will first go in the data, then we will go this outline, then subtotal. After clicking this, you will get an option like this. First, it asks at each change in. So we wanted to change in the brand. Then use function. There are multiple options like sum, count, average, max, mean, and multiple more, standard deviation, variation, count numbers, etc. For this option, we will use sum. Then it asks subtotal for which column. So we are doing it for quantity. Summary below the data. Just now click OK. Now, as you can see, there are 3 different options available, and also we can see that every category we have separate rows: Canon total, KCO total, Fuji total, and so on for each and every option. Apart from that, we have grand total option also available at the last row. Now we can see there is an automatic formula being used, subtotal, and 9 is for the sum, and there is a group for that, J2 to J10, and it will vary in every option. Like here, the option has been changed basis this group. Now if we press this one option, then whole group got collapsed and we can see just grand total. If I will click 2, it just gives me all categories subtotal like this, and if I will click 3, I will get all option, that is it expanded every option. Depending on our comfortable, we can use any of these options.